Strong acids dissociate completely in water, while weak acids partially dissociate in water.
A weak acid does not proceed to completion. It will maintain equilibrium so that the forward and reverse reactions are equal. The larger the Ka value, the stronger the acid.
A buffer is a solution made up of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid.
A buffer resists changes in pH when acid or base is added. When hydrogen ions are added to a buffer, they will be neutralized by the base in the buffer. Hydroxide ions will be neutralized by the weak acid in the buffer. Using the two-point method to calibrate the pH meter. To calibrate the meter, one of the buffer solutions will be a pH 7, and the other buffer solution will depend on your unknown solution. If you want to measure an acidic solution, you will choose a pH 4 buffer. Gently unscrew the cap of the container in which the pH electrode is stored. Then rinse the tip of the electrode with DI water to clean off the storage solution. Now place the electrode in a pH 7 buffer and gently stir so that the electrode does not touch the sides of the beaker. Tap the screen and click Calibrate Now. And then enter 7.0 into the meter. Save the recording. Rinse off the electrode again with DI water. Shake off the excess water. Place the electrode in a pH 4 buffer and stir gently. Calibrate the pH meter to show a pH of 4.0. Once the pH meter is calibrated, the pH of an unknown solution can be measured. For this unknown solution, the pH is 5.95. Once you're done using the pH meter, rinse the electrode with DI water. Then store the electrode back into the storage solution and screw the cap on gently. Repeat the procedure with other members of the group. Wash the electrode with DI water. Place the electrode in a beaker of pH 7 buffer and stir without touching the sides of the beaker. Calibrate the pH meter to read pH 7. Rinse off the electrode with DI water and shake off excess water. Place the electrode in a pH 4 buffer and then calibrate the meter to read pH 4. The pH of the unknown solution was recorded to be 6.60. Once you are done using the pH meter, rinse off the electrode and put it back into the storage solution. Unscrew the cap of the container that holds the electrode and then rinse off the electrode with DI water. Insert the electrode into the pH 7 buffer solution and then calibrate the meter to read 7.0. Rinse off the electrode with DI water. Shake off excess water and then place the electrode in the pH 4 buffer. Enter pH 4 into the pH meter. The pH meter is now calibrated. Rinse the tip of the electrode with DI water before measuring the next sample. The pH of this sample was determined to be 2.20. When the pH meter is not in use, place the electrode in distilled water. Once done with the meter, place it into the storage solution.